The Awaken India movement had recently submitted a letter to the government through the Chief Minister and the Governor of Meghalaya to urge upon the authority to stop all 5G projects in the state. Speaking to newspersons, the chairman of the movement, Banshai Marbanyang, said that it is evident that the electromagnetic radiation emitted through the 5G network has caused damage not only to the environment, including agriculture and other allied activities, but especially the health of human beings, causing them to become victims of diseases of all kinds. This, Marbanyang said, is a cause of concern, and therefore the movement feels it necessary for all 5G projects to stop so as to combat further deterioration of health amongst the general public and also the damage caused to the environment as a whole.
Singapore nakaliang jongi ka kanhun Awaken India movement kabdika national organization kemudian hapor ko ka India di hakini kisngi ki ba manta ya ka ba nakaliang juga kanhun ngilapha ya kani ka letter sipo ka sarkar jala lemba chief minister ban ngilapha ro kumyo chau governor in charge of Jala Meghalaya ya ka ba ngilapha ban pensange no ya ka jingpentri kam ya ka 5G hapo ka jala ka jongi kani ka jingpha ya kani ka letter kam chumla day tang hapo ka Jala Meghalaya namar nadu ba ka sarkar kala pentri kam nadu upna January jung snem bamenta ngilai I ba nakaliang jong ka Manipur ka Nagaland Mizoram Tripura Assam Arunachal Pradesh kini berfai kila pentri kam po North East jung I kani 5G tendrai anda habang itipat anda habang yo ek report na po Delhi lembaga Indian Council of Medical Research ya kani ka 5G kidang don ha reng kani ka jing study ya kani ka electromagnetic radiation namar balai ka electromagnetic radiation katkum ka letter ka bang yo ek report adep kedau pa hang ni lembaga kani ka National Biodiversity Authority kalau pan pa bagi don sibun ba ki jingpang ki bakta ya kami jungi ki prem ka jingpang ka beningkong kalong ka brain cancer te gadi ka brain cancer ngatik ngangit ba baro nakliang jungi ngitip ha ka kita ka brain cancer namar ka jikta ya bor jabing ka jungi ha ki babun ki benta nangta ka baar ka ka breast cancer kani ka breast cancer ro ka ba baro khoi ngitip hi kadi ka ka breast cancer kadan ro kani ka childhood leukemia kadi ka childhood leukemia ro gadan ki khlong den ki bom parla ban ya ro wat hadin san snam ro snam karta kimla ban ya kadan ka jingpang ha ka jingmot jing perkhat jungki kim parla ro ban school nata kadan kani ka heart disease kani ka heart disease le kumbang I ha kani ka por ka bamta kadai ka balong kumbang no bayong kli laman ka por ngi ki briu ki siap ki sukalan ki subun ki jingjia haman le ki jaka babun sin ki omba kadai ka heart disease namar ka heart disease automatically ro kalong syaka stroke ti kadi kani ka ek brokhoi ya ka bangi tip sai lemba kani ka electromagnetic radiation kala kta sebab palat lemba kani ka 5G bangi keren hiru apa ka jalal jong bangi pharu yani ka city syaka sarkar jala lemba chief minister ngilapha lemba governor ngilapha ro syaka health minister jong ka Jala Meghalaya ban pensange no ya ka jing pentrai kam ya kani ka 5G apa ka jala ka jongi